Hello, Jolly Rancher Fruit Roll-Up Candy Grapes. So I'm going to be taking my fruit roll-ups, and as you can see, I am just cutting up my fruit roll-up so I can wrap my clean grapes with the fruit roll-ups. Now, this is like an alien mystery theme fruit roll-up. I don't know. But anywho, I'm also going to be using Jolly Ranchers, and I will be using the peach flavored Jolly Rancher and the strawberry flavored Jolly Rancher. I'm going to mix them two flavors together, and then I'm going to microwave them and heat them up in the microwave for 30 seconds first. I'm going to stop it, check it out, and then I'm going to heat it in the microwave for 30 more seconds. And as you can see, this is what I'm looking for. So once it's ready, you have to be ready to dip, and dip fast, okay? Don't be taking forever to dip these grapes because the candy mixture will get stiff and hard on you really fast. And then if you keep reheating it in the microwave, it will burn out really fast. This is how they look. Only did a little bit. Let's check it out.